Section 4.4 interactive assignment. Preparing for section 4.4. Here is where we're talking about a side-by-side graph. Now, in a poll, a random sample of 2,163 adults aged 18 and over was asked, when you see an ad emphasizing that a product is made in your country, are you more likely to buy it, less likely to buy it, or neither more nor less likely to buy it? The results of the survey are presented in a side-by-side graph, and we're going to complete parts A through D below. So here is our information. So here we can see that this is a relative frequency, okay, and we can see it says likelihood to buy when made in home country. So this represents 18 to 34 years, 35 to 44 years, 45 to 54 years, and 55 plus years. Now the blue represents more likely, the green represents less likely, and then the kind of red, purplish is the neither. So it says what proportion of 18 to 34-year-old respondents are more likely to buy when made in their country. So if we take a look at 18 to 34, we know that the blue represents the more than likely, so it's 0.66. Now what proportion of 35 to 44-year-old respondents are more likely to buy when made in their country? So again, more likely is the blue, so we can see that the top part tells us it's 0.58. Okay, let's move into the next question. It says, what age group has the greatest proportion who are more likely to buy when made in their country? So which one represents the most? So the blue, we have 0.33 here, 0.52, 0.58, and 0.66. So 0.66 is the largest, and that age group is between 18 and 34 years. Okay, next, which age group has a majority of respondents who are less likely to buy when made in their country? So we have less likely, and that's in green. So here we have 0.58, 0.41, 0.34, and 0.27. Okay, so who has the majority of respondents who are less likely to buy? Well, we can see here that this percentage here, 0.58, is the most for 55 plus. So we're going to say 55 plus years represents that category. Now, what is the apparent association between age and likelihood to buy when made in their country? Well, as age increases, likelihood to buy homegrown increases.